I'd like to thank the Honourable Member for his contribution and listening to the people. But what we also heard from the people saying to other side, minimum wage, increase it. Sugarcane price, increase it. Sugarcane mill, Rakiraki, bring it back. Honourable Speaker. So just a reminder for the other side that this was also said by the general public as well. Honourable Speaker, on 51, I believe this is an act now. It's already in place. What we actually are suggesting from this side of the House, Honourable Speaker, we don't oppose 51. We have been using it. We will actually support when there is a need arises to use 51, and we will support it. No doubt in that. But what we are saying, Honourable Speaker, there was an act that was in place. Before it comes to be repealed, there needs to be two kinds of consultation. One, consultation by the government, and one it actually comes to the chambers. 51 actually allows 30 days. It goes to the Standing Order Committee. Standing Order Committee can go do a consultation, come back with a report. If the people, they want it to be repealed, if they want it to be amendment, we can do it, Honourable Speaker. There is a legislative procedure in place that allows, and one under 51, the bills to be referred for the consultation with the general public. That's all we are saying, Honourable Speaker. There is a process in place, and clause number 51 of the standing order does allow it, and that's what we are requesting there. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Deputy Prime Minister Biman.